Hi, it's Melanie, and I'm in my studio, and I updated my collage dried flower wall after Christmas, taking away the Christmas stuff and kind of doing some updates. And I wanted to get a little bit of a closer look at the items on the wall. I added kind of this depth in the front by stylizing the boxes, the collage boxes, and the dried flowers. I was thinking about how there's potential in everything. And I think I've often said nothing is wasted, but somewhere around here it says the potential is everything on one poster. I don't remember where, but I was thinking about both. How nothing is wasted and there's potential just in everything. Every experience, and just all of these flowers could have been something else, but they're here on my wall. Orange sleighs, or just these like little things, these knitted squares that my mother-in-law made, and can that used to be something that we probably ate, brochures and stickers, and something from I think one of my kids' shirts. These are probably boxes and packaging from so many things, and the variety feels good. I have a good feeling when I look at this wall and I'm in this space, and I really hope to share it with others someday. Wishing you love and light.